Alright, our next song is an original. It's written by myself and Sam Armstrong, who's here tonight. Thanks, Sam, for coming out and for writing wonderful music. This song's called It's Alright.
I can't resist.